That cray-cray in a good way. Don't put that down.
Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin.
What up?
It snowed
A little bit.
and we have COVID.
Yep. Obviously didn't really need to shovel the roof, but I didn't really want 6 to 8 inches of snow just sitting on the roof, and then it takes, obviously we don't have all our insulation yet, so if we start a fire, then it's going to keep the house a lot colder. We won't get that solar heat gain from the sun hitting all the paint on the roof, and so yeah, we're just, takes 5 minutes, might as well, you know.
Yep.
And it's a lot of weight on the roof too. Not that I can't hold it, but why have a ton of extra weight on the roof if we don't necessarily need it? So
We've pretty much been at home for the past week, almost.
yeah, almost a week.
We've pretty much been at home for the past week. Cody got sick Monday, and I started getting sick Thursday. I didn't get it as bad as he did, and I feel pretty much fine today. Yesterday was my worst day, but I feel good today. We're not gonna do a ton out here. However, we're both tired of being cooped up in the house, so
Here we are.
here we are. So while we're here, he's going to start working on getting the measurements and doing the rough-in plumbing for our kitchen.
Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today.
That's some thick plywood.
Yeah.
That cray-cray in a good way.
What'd you say?
So now we'll try and melt all the ice off of it.
Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today. It's a good day today. It's
You can see in the house, I went and lined up the end on the top side with the end on the bottom side, and then I marked it with a Sharpie before I glued it all together. That way when I put it through the floor and came down here, I knew it was straight still.
While we're down here, do you want to tell them how you're going to insulate the bottom and the pipes? So, because we had a lot of questions about that.
Well, we don't have to worry about drain pipes freezing, because they're drain pipes, so they're not full of water. They're not going to expand and crack, but we will have the crawl space enclosed, and then we'll insulate the crawl space itself. As far as freshwater pipes, they're all going to be inside the house. Nothing's going to be underneath, so we don't have to worry about them freezing. And then we'll use spray foam to seal around the pipe itself where it goes through the floor.
Yep. Okay, so it's a new day. He's basically just working on the drain pipes right now. So when I reference rough end plumbing, we're not really focusing on anything other than just drain pipes at the current moment. So that's what he's been installing. And then all we did yesterday after what you just saw was just move this table and organize everything over there so that way he could start working on the bathroom drain pipes. You can see that what are these called? You can see that the rain gutters are obviously working, but we need it to be a little longer.
Using normal pipe hangers you'd find at the store. So we needed to say be at 1/8 inch, that way it's 1/8 inch downslope towards the septic tank so the water will drain.
All right, guys, we definitely didn't get as much done as we would have liked to. We're both exhausted and running out of energy. It's probably from the COVID. I'm really hoping this doesn't last very long. But it's like 4 o'clock, so we're just gonna go home and rest. But I didn't want to not put out a video just because we didn't have a lot of content. We still did stuff. We just didn't get as much done as we would have liked to. So, but anyways, stay healthy, stay safe, and we will see y'all next week. Bye, guys.
We can look back someday.